Albania, a hidden gem in the Balkans, is a beautiful country in Southeast Europe. It offers stunning landscapes, a rich history, and a vibrant culture. If you're a resident of the UAE, you'll need to get a visa before you can travel to Albania. In this video, we will unveil Albania visa requirements for UAE residents. Foreign nationals residing in the UAE need a visa to enter Albania for tourism. It is a Type C short-stay visa issued with single, double, or multiple entries. You'll need to get an electronic visa, e-visa, before you travel. This is an online application process. Passport must be valid for at least 3 months beyond your planned stay in Albania. It should have at least 2 blank pages. Visa application form. Fill out the form accurately. You can find this form on the official website of the Albanian embassy or consulate. Passport photos. 2 recent passport-sized photos. They should be clear and have a white background. Travel itinerary. Details of your trip, including flight reservations and hotel bookings. Travel insurance. Proof of travel insurance that covers you for medical emergencies in Albania. Proof of financial means. Bank statements or other proof that shows you can support yourself during your stay. Return tickets. Round-trip flight ticket reservations. Accommodation details. Hotel booking or accommodation details in Albania. To apply for an Albanian tourist visa from UAE, travelers must fill up an application for an e-visa issued online. Find below the steps to apply for an Albania e-visa from UAE. Get expert assistance from our team at TravNook to avoid any errors in your application. 1. Access the Albanian e-visa portal. Visit the official Albanian e-visa application website. Make sure you're on a legitimate government site to avoid scams. 2. Create an account. Register on the e-visa portal by creating an account. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password. 3. Select visa type. A short visit visa is Type C. After selecting the visa type, scroll down to Browse Type C visas and click the purpose of your visit. In there, click the Apply button. 4. Complete the application form. Fill out the online application form with accurate details. 5. Upload required documents. Upload digital copies of the required documents. Ensure they are clear, in the correct format, and within size limits specified by the application portal. 6. Pay the visa fee. Pay the e-visa application fee using a credit or debit card. The fee amount may vary, so check the current fee on the e-visa portal. 7. Submit the application. Review all the information and documents before submitting your application. Double-check for any errors to avoid delays. 8. Receive confirmation. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation email with a reference number. Save this reference number as you may need it to track your application status. 9. Wait for processing. The processing time for an Albanian e-visa is typically a few days. It's advisable to apply well in advance of your planned travel date. 10. Check application status. Monitor the status of your application using the reference number provided. Check your email regularly for any updates. 11. Receive e-visa. Once your e-visa is approved, you will receive it via email. Print a copy or keep a digital version ready to present upon arrival in Albania. Albania e-visa processing may take up to 15 working days, and in exceptional cases, it can take up to 30 working days. If the visa is approved, the electronic visa is generated by the e-visa system and sent by email to the applicant. Apply early. Start your visa application process at least 3 months before your planned travel date. Double-check requirements. Always verify the latest visa requirements from the official embassy website, as rules may change. Keep copies. Make copies of all documents you submit. It helps if you need to reference them later. Expert help. Get expert help to apply for Albania tourist visa from Dubai to avoid rejection and possible delays in processing. Getting a visa to Albania from the UAE involves several steps, but it's a manageable process if you stay organized. By preparing the necessary documents and following the application procedures, you can ensure a smooth visa application experience. Albania offers a wonderful travel experience, And with the right preparation, your visit can be enjoyable and stress-free. Contact us to get an expert visa and travel assistance with your Albania trip.